Yo, what do we got in store for you guys? What's up, y'all? We're back on the channel here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, back in the garage, and we're about to do some mods. We ain't doing nothing new, but new to us, and we're gonna show you what we're up to. So let's have it. So, like I showed, we got some mods for the 3-valve swap fox body. So we got them laying over here on a table. We were having some issues. I thought the issue was the throttle body and maybe the throttle body position sensor. Well, I think we found out that we didn't have a short enough belt on there and we were having belt slippage. And I think that was the issue. But we're going with a Gt500 throttle body, the JLT Series 3 intake, and we got the throttle body spacer adapter. I didn't want to get a stock throttle body if that was the issue, so I just decided why not get an upgraded throttle body. If my throttle body was bad, why not just upgrade it with a bigger one? So with the Gt500 throttle body, it's basically bolt on, plugs right in. Now you should probably have a tune required, but it's probably not doesn't need a tune right now. But they sell it as a kit, or you could buy this stuff separately, and I bought it separately. I got the throttle body, a NOS part off of eBay. Somebody was selling it, so it's not a repop. It's supposed to be a NOS part. And then the throttle body adapter spacer is made by Blow by Racing. And it comes with this hardware. It changes it up. You know, you probably can't use the engine cover anymore. There's not too much info on the swap. LMR has a great article on it on their site, so that's where I got a lot of the info. So the JLT kit comes with the filter, which they give you a sweet S&B sticker. We got the JLT sticker, which is cool. We got stickers for the lift. Give you new hardware, the gasket, instructions. Well, we can only use instructions so far since it is in a S197. It's in a fox body. We're going to try and use this air blocker. We might have to cut it up and do some modifications to it, or maybe not even use it. Now doing this mod with this throttle body, it's at least a ½ inch bigger, so whenever you go and definitely do a throttle body or a bigger throttle body, I got it just in case. 20 bucks extra was the adapter. I think it's like a 4 to 3. So you definitely need this for doing this mod. The JLT one won't fit. It's too small. So you could kind of see now. You might be able to like extreme stretch it, but look at that. That's pretty short. It ain't gonna work. This filter, or not a filter, but the PVC hose plugs in right there. We'll probably cap that off because we're running breathers. So this is a little bit of what we're getting into. We're doing some mods on a 3-valve. Maybe pick up an extra couple horsepowers. Hopefully maybe get it back on a dyno and see what some of the mods right here make. Right now we're making 330 horsepower, 328 torque. So we're about to pull out Street Sleeper. It's freaking blinging. We just finished buffing it yesterday. And this is a 3-valve. We got the 3-valve here. We're about to pull it in, and we're gonna give you one last shot of what it's looking like right now. So this is the intake I got right now. It's came with the control pack kit. I guess it's like basically like a factory intake. Maybe came on like the bullets or whatnot. The engine cover may have to get removed, but these front tabs, I might have to cut the front tabs off because how it sticks the throttle body out now, like a 1/2 inch. So we'll see what we can do there, and we'll have another video of it all finished up and everything. So this is the 3-valve with the regular intake that we had on it. Stock throttle body that's slightly ported. Our custom intake. So we made some good numbers on a NA 3-valve with nothing major done. This is a great driver. I love driving this car. All motor. It's a great driver. So this is Street Sleeper. It's shining. You all know what Street Sleeper's packing. Twin turbo Coyote, 1,000 horsepower. Little quick tease. But man, we shined her up, we cleaned her up, and she's good to go now. We got it back together, and yep, we're about to pull it out, fire it up, and get the old 3-valve Fox in here. So with that being said, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. I hope you guys are having a good holiday, had a good new year, having a good year, and good all around everything. So, you know what to do till that next one. Peace.